Alright, Mercury 8 horsepower, little pull to prime knob on my motor broke. Looks like this guy there snapped off. That piece is right there in there. To replace it, I gotta pop this top off. If you look right down in here, there's a screw. What I first did, there's a piece that sits right here. It's a little cover. There's a C-clip that slides on the backside. You can just pull it right out this way. And that removes this piece, so it's out of the way. Then there's a screw right down here. Loosen that guy up all the way, or at least so it's not sitting inside this gap down here anymore. But back it all the way out. Mine's backed out all the way. And then you push this down, pushing that knob all the way out. Grab the little remaining piece of the knob and just wiggle that little piece out, like so. And that's the little groove that rides in. So, get the new one here. There she is. See if I can do this one-handed. Alright, so get those two back together. And slide it back in here. Piece kind of stubborn. Alright, I had to take it back out. This got to go through here first. Not sure if that's gonna go in more. It's hard to tell, my knob was broken off. Put that little C-clip back in on that front grommet piece there. Move that, clip back in. Feels like it's sitting out too far. Okay, when you're putting this back in, so I had this little piece back down. right down there. What you gotta do is rise that up. It's gotta go into this slot. When you get this pushed back in, so you kind of hold that down, then wiggle it back in, like so. So it drops all the way down and in. Shouldn't have any of the gap here open. Should be all the way in, about a finger's tip distance away. There you go. Got that clip back in here. I just gotta tighten this screw. It's a little stopper screw, so that whole piece can't pull back out. Just till it's tight, don't reef it down. It's all really breakable plastic there. There it is. Perfect. Thanks for watching. Quick and easy repair.